Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a really long time. It's January 22nd, so it's been about a month or so since I posted a video. And the main reason for that was just like, well, obviously I went on a vacation, I had a winter break, and when I came back I kind of just wanted to really refine my, kind of, my model, right? And especially refining my model and especially my risk manager, it's really helped me. Like, if you look, this is my funded. This is what my funded is currently at right now. So obviously we have a lot of red days here, but a lot of these red days, I'm still learning. Um, but yeah, we're still up 300. We're not doing too bad. We didn't do any trades today. Um, Today I'm just gonna do a little reflection of what trades I could have done today. So obviously to be honest, market open, I obviously we inverse this new week open gap right here. So we inversed it, right? And then we trade below. And then for this, yeah, for the 6 a.m. candle, yeah, we trade below, right? And then obviously I would have been flip bearish if we closed below this order block, which is it was around like quite far. So I was still bullish, especially because we tapped in this bullish order block and rejected off of it, right? So that would be a sign to be bullish for me personally. And then if we look in 1 hour, what do we do? So in 1 hour, if we look here, by the way, I'm just doing this TA off of nothing. I haven't looked at the charts at all. So what do we have here? We have 1 hour for value gap that we did tap in. We inverse this one, but if we bounce off of this one, and this one's also paired with this two legged order block. So yeah, we did reject off of it. We did have some rejection off of that. So for the 15 close, so if we go 15, yeah. So I'm pretty sure, because this 15-minute close, we respect this value gap and this, yeah, right. We respect both of these, and then I'm pretty sure like this is where 10 a.m. opens, right? So 10 a.m. we manipulate below this. We manipulate, right? And I'm pretty sure there's also a 5 in the S&P here. Should be, yeah, it's here. So, oh yeah. So we manipulate, yeah. We have this swing low right here. We sweep the swing low on NQ, but we don't sweep it on ES, right? So obviously from that swing low, that obviously should make me more bullish, more entered for for a swing. And even though we haven't swept London, right? We still swept Asia Open, and I believe we also swept Midnight, right? So that's still a lot of liquidity that we took. We don't necessarily have to sweep London, also because we have that 5 minute S&P in place, and we have that order block. Like if I mark out this um, London low right here, you know, 4 hour, yeah, that London low would have been way below this like this bullish order block right here. So like obviously we could sweep there, we could do it, but it's just lower likelihood, especially because on 1 hour we already respected this 1 hour bullish inverse value gap and just the order block in general. And then if we zoom out even more, what do we have? So what can we take a trade off here? So as I said, we have that 5 minute S&P off of that 10 a.m. manipulation, right? So we wait for that 10 a.m., right? The 10 a.m. is right here. We close. We trade below. We sweep this low right here. And what do we form? We form right here, swing low, right? And we also form that, I believe, 1005 on ES, right? So after we form that swing low, what do we do? We scale in lower time frame, scale lower time frame, and then so obviously chop, 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 right? We could trade this if we wanted to. So obviously FMT forms are right, I think right about here. The only thing that's bad about like obviously if you wanted to, you could do a trade and then put it at this particular low of the SMT, because SMT would be invalidated if we swept this, right? And then obviously you could target however much you want, but that is really high risk trade. So what we could do instead, we could see if there's a rejection block that we get on, right? So we do have this rejection block, right? We have that, and then zooming on 1 minute. Is there anything else? Yeah. So we can, to be honest, we could just put out CE right here. Mainly, especially after seeing such like big accumulation here, you could expect accumulation AMD, so accumulation manipulation, and then obviously distribution. And then I also forgot to mention that we're also in just a market maker buy model too. Like obviously we have accumulation, distribution, redistribution, reaccumulation, and here if you want I can go and find it. But yeah, we're also in the market maker buy models too, so obviously I would expect us to continue further, especially because we do have a lot more liquidity to take out. And if we close bullish on this bearish fair value, yeah, a bearish order block, we obviously could tap up here to this order block, fair value gap right here. Didn't happen anything yet, but yeah, we'll see what happens. But I did bring you a trade that I would have taken today, but today I couldn't trade because I had an exam. I'll see you guys tomorrow.